Ding, 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 ding.
Hello, campers, and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. You must be hungry from doing all those camp time activities. So, on today's menu, we have Campfire Picnic Buns from 1959's Patio Picnic Cook Book, brought to you by the Swift Company.
Well, is it time to open up one of these buns?
I think it is.
Okay, let's take a look here. These are just wrapped in foil. Put them on your grill. And let's see if I can do this carefully. It's a little warm. There we go. Comes out nice and melty.
Smells good. To make these easy retro delights, all you do is combine 3 ounces of sliced bologna, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1 teaspoon chopped onion, 1/8 of a cup pickle relish, 1 tablespoon mustard, and 1/8 of a cup mayo. Add to hot dog buns, wrap in foil, and grill until they're melty inside.
They're especially delicious when paired with a classic old man beer.
Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. We'll be back soon with another camping treat.
See you soon!